Happy holidays, how can we help you today?
Hi, I would very much like to return this item.
Do you have a receipt?
I will as soon as I pay.
What?
Hello, this is a purchase return.
I'm afraid we don't do those.
I'm afraid you're new here because I've been doing this since I was 4. I find out what my parents are getting me for Christmas and then I proceed to purchase and return it to save them the time of coming all the way here.
But wouldn't it be wiser to just not purchase anything at all? So you wouldn't have to return it?
But wouldn't it be better to be able to purchase return all your Christmas presents without being questioned by the new uncool clerk?
Your total will be $469.84. Here's your receipt. You must bring it with you at the time of an exchange or return.
Thanks.
Ugh. Happy holidays. How can we help you today?
Yes, hi. My parents got me this for Christmas and I would like to return it. Remember, it's not what you give, it's what you get. Happy holidays!